Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Residents of Obehie-Umuakwor and Umunteke communities in Ukwa West local government area of Abia State have hailed the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) for installing solar-powered energy street lights in their communities after several months of total blackout. The excited residents said pockets of violence and criminalities have been expunged from their communities, while small-scale businesses are now thriving since the intervention by the NDDC.
Obehie-Umuakwor and Umunteke communities are part of many areas in Ukwa West local government area of Abia State and have had to endure power blackout for several months after being disconnected from the national power grid. Rising to the occasion in September 2023, the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) awarded a contract for the installation of solar energy-powered streetlights to light up the communities at night. Residents and commuters who confirmed that the NDDC electrification project now serves as the only source of power available to the communities praised the agency for its timely intervention.
Before the solar, the road was dark, but now you can even ride if your light is not shining well. I can move at any time and come back at any time because of the street light.
They also observed the light installation has brought back nightlife and has reduced crimes such as robbery and kidnapping, which had become prevalent in their domains. At the outset of his administration, the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, had promised Niger Deltans that the Commission would make supply of clean, renewable and affordable power a necessity for communities through the agency's special electrification scheme, tagged Light Up the Niger Delta. While interacting recently with newsmen at the NDDC corporate headquarters in Port Harcourt, Dr. Ogbuku said the scheme, which is aimed at ensuring that every facet of the region is lit up to discourage criminal activities under the guise of darkness, maintained that the project will be replicated in every Niger Delta community, especially the rural areas.
Because most of our communities do not have access to the power grid, hence we thought using the solar power system will be sufficient to provide power for the people in order to ensure that at night the communities are bright. So we are taking these things gradually. It is phase by phase.
Under the NDDC Light Up the Niger Delta scheme, several communities across the 9 states of the region have already been lit up with hundreds of renewable power sources.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Inside the Niger Delta,